Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. On this channel, we'll talk about affiliate marketing and everything making money online. So this is the first episode of the series called Let's Build an Online Business, where you are going to be building an online business with me from beginning to end, right up to paid traffic, okay? When I first started my online business, I actually didn't know where to start. And that's actually why I've decided to make this series because what I needed back then was just a little bit of direction to say that, okay, this is what you need to be doing. Yes, it's going to be a long road. Yes, it's going to be a difficult road, but this is the direction that you need to go. A lot of us just need direction and then we go. But sometimes when you don't have the direction, you go here, you waste time here, and then you go there, then you waste time here. This series, the purpose of this series is to just give you a bit more direction. So in the series, we're going to be going from the beginning, from when you first starting your online business, right up to running paid ads. And the paid traffic source, we're going to talk about that later, but we're going to be going through the whole process from start to finish. And it's going to be short 5-10 minute videos, chunk size videos, just to give you a bit more direction on how to start your online business. We're going to be going into the screen as well. We're going to be building a landing page together over the shoulder, and I think this is going to be one of the best methods to learn how to start your online business. Right, so before we get into it, make sure that you've actually subscribed to the channel so that you don't miss out on the rest of the series, first of all. But secondly, is to help out the channel. Once more people subscribe to the channel, these videos go out to more people and more people can actually get help. So yes, I have my own agenda. I need this channel to grow, but at the same time, I also don't want you to miss out on the upcoming videos where we're going to be talking more about the rest of how to grow your online business or how to start your online business. So don't worry, this entire training is beginner friendly. I will show you all methods, all softwares that are free. I'll also show you the ones that I use that I pay for. Look, in life, you get what you pay for. So if something is free, it will probably work, and I'm going to show you the ones that work that are free. But if you pay for something, you get what you pay for. So free stuff can only take you as far as possible. But again, we started from scratch, we started from zero. We need to start free so that we can build up our money, so that we can eventually upgrade and level up and eventually get to the pinnacle, okay? All right, so step number one is going to be mindset. So you're probably thinking, mindsets, how aren't we building landing pages? Aren't we getting, learning about our email lists? We'll get to that. We will get to that. But first of all, we're talking about building your online business. So you need to change your mindset around how you see things. So you need to believe in yourself and believe that you can get to the 6 figures. And the reason I say this is that this is a long road. You are trying to move from place A to place B, and in between that is a lot of work, is a lot of ups and downs. So the downs is the time when your mindset comes in, and your mindset is like, hey, this is not a failure. This is just a learning curve. That's a mindset shift. So you need to believe in yourself, and you need to really change how you view things and how you view setbacks and failures, because it's part of it. You can't grow without the setbacks. You can't grow without the failures. So as of the date of recording this video, I actually haven't hit 6 figures myself. I'm still on that journey to hit the 6 figures, but I believe I can. I've had some failures. I've had my Facebook ads account banned and then reinstated. I remember when that first happened, I was like, oh, I did all this work learning how to do Facebook ads and now my account is banned. What am I gonna do? But the mindset was like, okay, this is just a speed hump. I'm gonna get those 7 figures eventually, one way or another. So this is just a speed hump. I didn't let it stop me. So that's just an example. What I'm saying is that you need to have that mindset, and you need to have that belief, no matter what happens, that you won't stop. Step number 2, picking a niche, right? So this is what you guys have been waiting for, okay? So when we're picking a niche with affiliate marketing, actually with anything in life, you need to stick to one thing. Don't start. You see now affiliate marketing. I want to start affiliate marketing, and then crypto comes up. Now I want to start crypto, and then this comes up. Dropshipping comes up. You want to do dropshipping. You've chosen affiliate marketing, so you stick to affiliate marketing, and you master affiliate marketing before you move to anything else. The same thing goes with niches, right? With a niche, you pick a niche and you stick to that niche. You don't keep changing niches, because then you'll never maximize, you'll never make the most money, because you're not focused. You have to focus on one niche. So within the niches, you also have to narrow it down to a sub niche, okay? So let me give you an example. My niche is wealth, right? So within wealth, it becomes making money online, because wealth can be finance, personal finance development, things like that. So it's making money online, and then within making money online, I could be talking about drop shifting. No! Drop shipping. I could be talking about drop shipping, crypto, but within that is affiliate marketing, okay? So there's the niche, there's a sub niche, and there's a more narrowed down niche. You can always narrow it down. The more narrow you go, the more success that you can actually get. So people make the mistake of thinking that no, I'm gonna just talk about making money. No, it doesn't work that way, because if you're a jack of all trades, then people don't know you for anything. They just know you just talk about a lot of stuff. But if you are the guy for affiliate marketing, people know that, hey, I want to learn about affiliate marketing, let me go to that guy. But if it's about how to make money online, it's so vague, it's so broad. You really want to narrow it down and stick to one niche, and that does take time. You're not going to know from day one. So you know that, okay, it's wealth, and then maybe you can say affiliate marketing, and then within that, then you'll know what you'll actually do. So let's actually go to the whiteboard, and I'm going to show you, visualize this so you can see visually what I'm talking about. All right, so the main three niches are: number 1, wealth; 2 is health; and number 3 is relationships. So these are the 3 main ones that you're probably going to make a lot of money from, but it doesn't necessarily mean that we only need to choose these ones. You can go down to like pets, and so the pets is like animals, so it could be dogs, could be cats, Our niche could be tech. We could be always promoting things relating to tech, because maybe we like doing tech. It could be anything. Could be football related items. So I'm not American. I am talking about football, soccer, the real football. All right, so now that we have a broad overview of which niches we might pick, how are we actually going to decide which niche to pick? And let me make an example with how I chose my niche, right? So we have this. We have what we're passionate about. So that's a circle. Then we also have what we do on a regular basis. Do on regular basis. Okay? On a regular basis. Okay? Here's another circle. And then finally, what interests us? What drives us? Okay? So don't worry about my handwriting. My handwriting is not the greatest handwriting. Okay? So why are we doing this? Why are we doing this? Okay? So my passion has always been coaching and mentoring. I always like to coach. I always like to mentor. Okay? But this has nothing to do with any of these niches. Then what do I do on a regular basis? On a regular basis, I watch football. I'm a Manchester United supporter. I watch football, but I also watch a lot of wealth-related content. I watch a lot of valuetainment. I watch a lot of business, Shark Tank. I watch a lot of all that stuff. I always like wealth. I always like business. These two actually link together. So what I do on a regular basis is actually what interests me. So then how did I link my passion of coaching and mentoring? So I decided that, hey, I actually like wealth. I like coaching and mentoring. So guess what? I'm going to coach and mentor wealth on camera. So that's how I ended up choosing my niche. So let's say when it comes to health, you could be a fitness guy, a fitness fanatic. You could be wanting or a weight loss person. It can be anything. It doesn't have to be any of these ones. It can be any niche. You can make money with any niche in affiliate marketing. Step number 3, and this is one of the most important steps in this episode, is your roadmap or your vision. You need to know where you're going in order to get started. And the reason for that is that once you know where you're going, then all your decision making are in the best interest of where you're going. Is it in your best interest to do a TikTok account or to do a YouTube account? But you don't have the answer to that question, because where are you actually going? You need to know where you're actually going so that you can make the best decision, and the decision that will be more congruent with where you're going. So again, let's go back to the whiteboard so I can show you what I mean with all of this. Okay, so let's talk about vision and your roadmap, right? So currently you're here. You're currently on 0 and you want to get to a point when you're at 1 million. And I'm not talking about 1 million followers or 1 million subscribers. I'm talking about the numbers that you get, which will equate to higher conversions. Okay, so what does this mean? This means that we're starting here at free and we ultimately want to get to paid. So that being said, this can also be free. So to really scale and to really harness the power of the internet, we eventually want to move from free, work our way up, and eventually get to paid, right? So paid traffic sources. So that's going to be YouTube ads, Google. What else is there? Native ads, Facebook. So and there's a whole bunch of other traffic sources that we eventually want to get to eventually scale and to get to the 6 figures and beyond. Okay, but we are over here and we're starting off at free. So let me take this down. Okay, so now we have a whole bunch of traffic sources here. These are not the only traffic sources that they are. Okay, you'll notice that these are social media platforms. What they truly are traffic sources, and traffic sources are where people are sitting and where people and numbers, where we're going to get our leads, where we're going to get our conversions. Okay, so with affiliate marketing and your roadmap in terms of your vision, you need to map out which traffic source you're going to use. Start with one traffic source. Okay, so I started with TikTok and I'm also doing YouTube. I do have an Instagram account, but my Instagram account is not as active because I'm still focusing on my YouTube channel. I'm still focusing on my TikTok. I will get back to being more active on Instagram at a later stage, but you want to do these things one at a time. So my TikTok following is now at 57,000 followers. My YouTube is also growing now. The subscribers are not that high, but we're growing, and I'm now focusing more and more on YouTube. Okay, so you need to visualize what works best for you. What are you more comfortable with? If you want to do faceless accounts, do you maybe want to consider doing a cash cow faceless YouTube channel instead? Or do you want to use TikTok? It depends also on your location. So if you're in a lower disposable income country, TikTok might not be the best traffic source for you, because the end users consuming your TikTok content in your country don't have the disposable income for the affiliate product. So maybe you want to use YouTube. But if you're in a tier 1 country like America or the UK or those kind of countries, maybe TikTok will also work for you. So it really depends what you're comfortable with, what you want to do. Do you want to have faceless, or do you want to be on camera, show your face on camera? It really depends on how you want to go about it. Facebook, again, there could be Facebook profile and also Facebook group. Google, this relates more to SEO. So when you have your blog sites and your review sites, your websites, and this is more on SEO, on the SEO side. Okay, so there's Pinterest as well, Instagram we spoke about. So that's essentially what I'm saying to you, that you need to map out, you need to decide what you want out of it, how you want to go about it, at least initially, and focus on one, and then work your way up towards the rest. And what I like about affiliate marketing is that these traffic sources, these are the biggest traffic sources in the world. Google, biggest search engine in the world. YouTube, biggest video search engine in the world. TikTok is one of the fastest growing platforms in the world. Facebook, we all know about Facebook or Meta, Instagram. So essentially, the sky's the limit, but you need to work at it, work one at a time, and then work and build your way up. If you're enjoying this video, make sure that you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Let's go.
Let's go.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope that you will be taking action immediately after this video or continuing to the next video. But jokes aside, guys, you need to be taking action. What we spoke about today, and that you choose the best niche that's going to be the best for you, right? And what is the best direction that you want to hit in terms of your vision. In the next video, in the next episode of the series, we're going to be talking about picking the correct traffic source, or picking a traffic source. There is no correct traffic source, but you have to think about certain elements when it comes to picking a traffic source. So in the next video, we're just going to be covering picking a traffic source. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay healthy, stay focused, and stay tuned. Bye guys.